This video is about the past perfect tense, its usage and examples. Past perfect tense represents two works which were occurred in the past. The second or later action follows past indefinite tense. Past perfect tense uses had and the past participle form of the verb. For example, I had written articles on various topics before he came. He had read different kinds of books. Let's have a look on the usage and its examples. Number 1. To describe an action finished before another past action. Richard had gone out when his wife arrived in the office. Number 2. To describe an action that happened before a specific time in the past. Christine had never been to an opera before last night. Number 3. To describe cause and effect. I got stuck in traffic because there had been an incident. Let's learn the formation of the sentences in past perfect tense. For positive, subject plus had plus past participle plus object if any. She had finished the test. Negative, subject plus had not plus past participle plus object. She hadn't finished the test. For interrogative, had plus subject plus past participle plus question mark. Had she finished the test? Now, these are the examples of positive sentences. I went there after I had completed the task. She had came late to the school. She had done her homework, so she was happy. He had lived in Florida for 10 years before he moved to California. They had gone out when you called. By the time we came, she had finished the project. Let's have a look on the negative sentences of past perfect tense. They had not been married when I was born. Until he went to England, he had not spoken English. You had not studied hard. She had not done her homework, so she was sad. He had not lived in Florida. They had not gone out when you called. Let's learn the sentences of interrogative. Number 1. Had they been married when I was born? Number 2. Had he spoken English until he went to England? Number 3. Had she done her homework? Number 4. Had he lived in Florida? And the last one, had they gone out when you called? Thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates.